Hi everyone, my name is Wendy Adams, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite virtual teaching tools, and it is called Loom. It is the Google extension that allows you to record tutorials for your students. So anytime I want to visually show the students something instead of just tell them, I just click on the Loom little icon up here and I do a quick recording. So I'm using Loom right now. It's fabulous. So to add Loom to your computer, all you do with all of the Chrome extensions is go to the Chrome Web Store and you could click on extensions and then you could type in Loom. Okay, it's right here. Now I already added it, but if it weren't added, you just click add to Chrome and it would add your little icon here at the top. Then you simply click record. And I have used this to just record 3 to 5 minute videos to kind of show students some things with Google Classroom. I think it would be really handy to use a Loom tutorial to show students around Canvas. So when Google Classroom first put this permanent meet on here, the students didn't know that was there. So I did a quick Loom tutorial on, hey guys, from now on, when we come to a meet, all you have to do is click on this permanent meet link. So that was awesome. After that, I did I did a lesson on geometry and I wanted to show them how to add a virtual protractor. So I went to the Chrome Web Store and I used the Loom video to show them how to add a protractor. Honestly, here's the cool part. You have your little picture down in here in the corner. There's 3 different sizes. Um, so there's small, medium, and large. And you can also take your picture and you can move it anywhere around the page. I think this is going to be great for tutorials or for recording lessons that you're not teaching live. And then when you're finished, you stop recording, you can edit it, and it gives you an immediate link that you can either upload to your Canvas page, you can upload to your Google Classroom, or you can send it to a friend that just needs to know how to do something. So I love Loom, and I hope this video helps you.